everybody, Dr. Jigish sir, Dr. Shashikumar, Dr. PKV Anand, Mosmi, and my fellow speakers. So, as described by the previous speaker, Basti is a very unique opportunity taken by a clinician for in the clinical practice, wherein Vastir Vate Pitte Kafe Rakte Cha Shasyate. शाखागत कोष्ठगत परमास्ति संधिगत ये च रोगाः. So the basti is administered in शाखागत, marmasti sandhigata and koshtagata vikaras. Koshtagata vikaras like a simple condition, that is amla pitta, because vantikritva amla pitte to tatpaschat virechanam kritavanta viriktascha pradadyat anumasanam. In our practice, a condition like Udavarta, or a condition where GERD, gastroesophageal reflux disorder, or in such a way the peptic ulcer or gastric ulcer is also managed by Basti Kalpana. Because in Parinama Shula, even there is a scope for Basti Chikitsa. Basti is Vatahara, no doubt. Basti even treats conditions like ulcerative colitis, maybe Raktarsha or the Adogata Raktapitta in the form of Gudakata Raktasrava, wherein Tasmat Chikitsar the Miti Brahmanti, Surva Chikitsa Mapi Basti Meke. A Kaya Chikitsaka need to appreciate the importance of Basti because it is Chikitsardha. Further, Basti Apadatala Mastaka, from the head to bottom, various disorders are treated. A clinical issue wherein Pakshagata like disorders or various neurological illnesses, musculoskeletal problems, even Shukragata Vikaras. In Shukragata Vikara, a problem like oligospermia or teratoazoospermia, maybe various series of infertilities are managed by Basti Chikitsa. After the Basti is given, how the sunlight absorbs Ardra Pata Gata Jaliya Tattva. Similarly, Sharira Gata doshas are getting treated, and moreover, from the root, how the water is getting absorbed. Similarly, in Guda, various siras are connected, and that goes all over the body. Further, Acharya says that it nourishes the limbs, organs of the body, and also Basti is the Shrestha Vatahara Chikitsa. Pachana of the doshas are taken place. The hypothalamo regulatory, the pituitary axis can be rectified by the Basti Chikitsa. Apanavayu and Pranavayu is also getting managed by the Basti. Further, various commentators, they put their view, especially Acharya Dallana on Sushruta Chikitsa, say that the Basti Virya spreads all over the body, and how the sun absorbs the water from the earth. Similarly, there is Upashoshana of the Tattva, Ardra Tattva. According to the administration and the route of administration of Basti, Adhisthana Vedena, Pakwashaya Basti, or Mutrashagata Basti, even Garbhashagata or the Uttara Bastis, Vrinagata Bastis, wherein the Vrina management is done, Anuvasana Basti, and according to the Karma, all of you know very well, the Karma Kala and Yoga Basti schedules, Padahina Basti, Utkleshana, Samshodhana, Samshamana, Lekana, Brahmana Basti, Vajikarana, Sangrahaka, Chakshushya, Picha Basti, and Madhutailika. We had several occasions wherein from the Charaka Sutra, 4th chapter, Puricha Sangrahaniya Mahakashaya has been taken. Puricha Sangrahaniya Kashaya developed into a Sangrahaka Basti. In our region of North Karnataka, amoebic colitis predominates today. Even decades before, intestinal amoebiasis were very common. So at length we have studied, the research has been done, especially by using Sangrahaka Basti, that is Ambashtadi Gana of Sushruta and Purisha Sangrahaniya Gana of Charaka. Sunishannaka Changeri Gritam or Avak Pushpyadi Gritam is a very important Sneha Dravya for the Basti Prayoga. Further, Basti is Utleshakaraka. How? Probably in the management of hepatitis B and some Krimi Chikitsa, it is found very useful. It has got Samshodhana Samarthya. It is even Samshamana also. No doubt there are series of Lekana Bastis and there is Chakshusha effect also by the modified different Bastis. Picha Basti is another very important area and lot of advancements are taken place. And even the Madhutailika Basti is routinely done. Now, what are the materials required for Basti? Definitely Basti Nestra, Basti Putaka, and the in toto, that is the Basti Yantra. There are different skandhas, especially the Shadrasa skandhas. Madhura skandha, Amla skandha, Lavana skandha, Katu skandha, Tikta skandha, and Kashaya skandha. Permutations and combinations has to be made by the observation made by Acharya Charaka and Vagbhata. Then and then only the Basti Vikalpa becomes wonderful and most effective, and therapeutic benefit can be extended to the ultimate end beneficiary, that is patient. Madhura skandha, Amladi skandhas, Shadrasas should be developed and modified. There are Amla Rasatmaka Dravyas like Vrikshamla, Amlaki, Tintidaka, and the series of Panchalavanas. They are also used in Basti as adjuvant, and various Katurasatmaka Dravyas like Vidanga and even Ajamoda, like various Dravyas like Kulatha, and Tikta Skandha Dravyas like Panchatikta or the Nimbamrita Vishapatolaka, Duchi Nimbamulatva Vishak Mata Nidigdika. Similarly, Kashaya Rasatmaka Dravyas are also very useful, especially the Sariva, Lodra in Raktapitta, as well as Mocharasa in the Pichavasti. So, depending upon availability, geographical distribution, as well of the need of the patient, that should be modified and developed. Astapana Gana is a wonderful area wherein Acharya Charaka throws the light that Tribut Bilva Pippali Kutta Sarstrapa Vachavasaka Fala Shatpushpa Maduka Madana Falani Iti Dasheman Astopa Upagani Bhavanti. So these series of Astapana Upaka Dravyas, Astapana Ganasya Dravyasya Sahayatvena Upagachati Iti Astapana Upagaha. Anvasana Upaga. So wherein Prasna Suradharu Bilva Madana Shatapushpa Vrichira Purarnamashtra Dramshtra Swadamshtra Agrimanta Shonaka Iti Dashemani. And these dravyas are basically Madhurani, Madhura Prayani, Madhura Vipakani, Madhura Prabhavani, Madhura Skandi, Madhuranyeva Krutva Upadishyati. So due to their Madhura Rasatmaka and other characters, it becomes Balya. When we develop the Niruha Vikalpas, the basic Niruha you should not forget, that is Erandamula. Erandamula Tripalam Palamsham, Tata Palamsham, Lagupancha Moolam, Rasna Bala, Chinnar Vashwaganda, Punarna Varaguda Devadaru. Kalkair Kritakshaudra Yusat Tailo, Sukat Tailo, Yustas Koshno, Madhutaila Vemishra. So this Basti with the different Kalkat Dravyas, especially in hyperlipidemia, even in a condition like hypercholesteremia, obesity management, that is Sauli Chikitsa. This Vikalpa, Eranda Muladi, is very, very useful. Now, if the adjuvants like Gomutra or some Kalkat Dravyas like Falani Ashto, Madana Fala, or the other Kalkat Dravyas told in the Shastra, if they are in different proportions are taken, this Eranda Muladi, Shakagata, Koshtagata, Marmasitandikata Vikara, like Vata Kafa Jagritati, Vatat Kafat Tandra Gaurava Arochakanvita, lumbar canal stenosis in obese individual, and that helps in the weight reduction also. Further, Rasnadi Niruha Basti, wherein Rasnadi Kasha is taken, Rasnamrita Eranda, Vidanga, Daruharidra, Ushira, and Surafua. For this, Madanafala is added, Gomutra is also added, and Kalkadra like Madhuesti, Pippali, Falini, Shatafua, Rasanjana. If these drugs are combined with peculiar Sneha Yogas or Yamaka Yogas, Rasnadi Niruha Basti going to be a very effective Vatahara. Erandadi Niruha Basti, which is told in Mangasena Samhita, also can be further developed and modified. Eranda Moolam Trifanam Palamcham Rustvani Mulani Falani Pancha Rasnashwagandha Sabala Guduchi Punarna Varaguda Devadar. So this yoga with different combinations of Sneha and Kalka is going to benefit the patient. Kalkadravya, when the Kalka is not spoken, Anukta Kalka Paribhasha, it is Yavanyadi Kalka. Puto Yamani, Palabilva Kushta, Vacha Shatahua, Dana Pippalinam. Further, Gomutra Siddha Vastis are very effective, especially when we manage lifestyle disorders like non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. Also, some of the conditions where the Baddhamedas and Abadhamedas causing Avarna, Liptata, Srotoliptata, including the thromboembolic problems. Kupito, Marga Samrodhat, Medusova, Kafasyava, such condition wherein the embolus or thrombus is lodging in a blood vessel causing occlusion, then Gomutra Siddha Vastis, Yeranda Vastis, certain modifications are found to be very, very effective. So, Dr. Shashikumar should be complimented and congratulated as told by the moderator to bring the Vaitarana Vasti into practice and existence, which was a hidden treasure. Vaitarana is a river. Papanashaka Tataka. Now, Katigraha, Katishula, Gritrasiyadi, different rogas like even Amavata is Papakarma Nimittaja, we believe, because Ayurveda Shastra says. Patient gets Sakashtha, Bhaves Sarvaroganam Trikasandhi Praveshako. In such a condition, Vaitarana that spreads all over the body, Shakagata, Kostakata, Marmati Sandhikata, Echarogaha. Further, this the Vangasena Krita, Vaitarana Basti, Chakradatta Krita, Vaitarana Basti, there are lots of difference and variations, which is very important to Amadoshahara, and in Vata Kafaja disorder, Vaitarana Vasti is advised. Bhukta chapi pradiyate. It can be even given after Bhojana, because the Nirubhasti should be given Bhojana Purvaka, Nirannam cha pradiyate. Whereas Vaitarana Vasti, Ksharabhasti like Kalpanas, depending on the Bala of the Atura and Rutu, it can be given in the after the food also, so whenever required. Lekana Vasti, as discussed before, PCOD is a very great area. Many women or female patients are brought into the outpatient department saying that, see doctor, I am suffering from severe depression, not getting any issues, and my gynecologist said that there is PCOD and PCOS. Young teenage adolescent girls attending the college, the problem is PCOD with obesity, hyperthyroidism with obesity, hyperlipidemias. In such a condition, Lekanavasti had to be further developed with Trifalakshara Gomutra, Ushakadikana Prativapahi, Vastaya Lekaniya Smrtaha, wherein Varunadi Kashaya, the Vidangadi Kashaya, or the other Lekana Karshana, Kashaya Yogas. For example, Acharya Charaka says that Mustakushta Haridra, Daru Haridra, Vacha Ativisha, Chitra Chitraka Chirabilva, Iti Dashaimani Lekaniyani Bhavanti. This Lekaniya Basti has been developed in Government Ayurveda College Trivandrum long back by my friend Dr. Suresh Babu when we were studying together. And such Basti after administration, because Charangadhara says Basti in Avaramatra, Madhyamatra and Pravaramatra should be administered depending on the coast of the Atura, Brudamadhya Maha, the Krura Kosta. Similarly, this Tikta Basti or Tiktarasatmaka Kshiragrita Sanyuta Basti, wherein Astyashranam Vyadinam Panchakarmani Bechajam Vastaya Kshira Sarpishi. So in a today's condition where the bone mineral density is reduced, leading to osteoporosis, osteopenia, cervical spondylosis, or the degenerative disc disorder, which is an old name given, Kshirapaka of the Guduchi, or Patola Nimbadikwata, Panchatiktakwata, Estimatu Sadita, Kshira Kashaya, yoga ashes are used in the practice. Followed by Sneha yogas like Panchatikta Gratagugulu, or Ketaki Muladitela, Ketaki Mulabala, Atibala Nam, Yet Bahalena, Rasena, Yupakpam, Martam Astigatam, Vinihanti. So this Asti Majagata Vikriti, including the in Aubhavka Chikitsa, what is used widely in the southern part of India, Parinetakera Kshirataila, in the Madhyamapaka, it has to be developed and added. Similarly, the Murivanna in the Madhyamapaka or in Vastivakam, if it is done, then in the Tikta Kshira Vasti, as an adjuvant, as an Yamakam, it is used and developed. Pichabasti, very, very important area. Wherein conditions like ulcerative colitis, bleeding per rectum, usually patient gives a positive history that, doctor, I am a traveler, I am a regular traveler. Today, if I am at Bangalore, by next day I will be Mumbai. After 2 days, I'll be at Chennai. Maybe after a week, I'll be reaching to Tripura and other areas. Because he is exposed to different and strange kind of food, wherein his digestive system is over irritated and there is infection leading to colitis where the immune system is suppressed. In such a condition, the Pichabasti is developed from the Shastra, Charaka in Atisara Chikisa, Rashta Chikisa, and Raktapita Chikisa. Also, different authors explain Pichabasti. Now, Nalpabaradi Keram, Estimadu Kalka, followed by Shalmali and Mustadi Shira. Further, if it is developed, it is very, very effective in the bacillary dysentery management, ulcerative colitis management, and management of IBS also. Madhutailika Basti is widely practiced everywhere. Siddha Basti is such an important Basti where the Mamsarasa, that is Mriganam Barhi Dakshanam. Mamsarasa is generally used in Balakshaya, in Asti Majjadatukshaya, in Shoshadi, different conditions. Takravasti, again in Maharashtra at Ayurveda College, YT Ayurveda College, Akola, by Professor Yadaya, one of the renowned Panchakarma expert, developed Takravasti. Udashvit Semana and Udashvit Prayoga has been documented by Acharya Charaka in the Siddhisthana. So Takravasti in Grahani Roga, in malabsorption syndrome, in irritable bowel syndrome, with ingredients like Takra, Chatyadi Taila, Charangeriadi Gritam, Sukumara Gritam, or other any Sangrahaka Grita Yoga like Dadimadi is very, very effective in the management of irritable bowel syndrome, ulcerative colitis, as well as inflammatory bowel disorders. Patoladi Basti is at another very important Kafanashika Basti Yoga, wherein Madhu, Saindava, Sneha Yoga like Madana Fuddha, Falasiddha, Taila, followed by Sarshapa and Madana Phala, and Patola Haritaki Devadaru, Pippali are taken as Vatadhravyas. Very effective in Vajaroga and in conditions like hyperlipidemias. Ardhamatrika Niruham, this Basti is very, very peculiar, wherein it acts just like Niruha and Matra. Ardhamatrika Niruham, Dashamula Kwata, Chatapushpa Kalka, Shitamala Taila, Saindava Madhu. In this series, if this is given, that is very, very effective Shulanashaka, and it is indicated in Vatashunitam also. Bhadra Imbadi Basti is another yoga, wherein Acharya Sushruta described this in Pittaja Rogas like Pandu, in conditions like Kafaja Rogas where Galaganda or today's hypothyroidism and thyroid illnesses, Patadravya like Bhadra Kulatta, Arka, etc. are used. But it has got Chakshush effect and it has got a very, very on the eyeball also. Kshiravasti Kalpanas, like in osteoporosis, in different the musculoskeletal illnesses, Astyashanam, Yadinam, Kshiravasti Kalpanas are advised. Chatusneya Basti, so especially in cerebellar atrophy, in degenerative disorders of the brain, the Shamula, Mamsarasa, Vasamajja, and Taila are the ingredients, the four snehas. We have developed Narikela Jalavasti. So our former joint director of Ayush from Karnataka, Dr. Anjane Murthy, and we together formulated this Narikela Jala Salita Basti, Narikela Jala, Drakshadi Kashaya, and other ingredients like Saindava, Kalka, etc. If given, wonderful, it acts just like an IV infusion which is given to a dehydration patient. So in recurrent cases of IBS, in relapsing cases of IBS, and if there is hyponatremia, electrolyte imbalance, then Narikela Jala Siddha Basti can be developed and popularized. Similarly, Rakta Basti is another very important area wherein the Ajarakta has to be collected, and the clotting, its coagulation should be prevented by adding the sodium citrate, followed by Durvadi Kalka, Vasa Swarasa, and other ingredients. And Drakshadi Kashaya also becomes the most useful adjuvant in the Rakta Basti. Severely anemic patients, their hemoglobin content reversed back, almost elevated back to normal by giving series of Rakta Bastis. So in many patients of severe anemia, there will be malabsorption, and the ferrous ion is not getting absorbed into the system if the intestines are diseased. In such a condition, Rakta Basti is very, very effective and important. So Niru Basti, Anuvasana Basti Kalpanas, they act in a very, very peculiar way, and different scientific studies are postulated how the Niru and Anuvasana are acting. Further, Matravasti is again an important area. Raswasya alpamatraya matravasti samopichat. In very small dosage, how we conduct the Hrasvyasi Sneha Matra or Husma Matra of the Snehapana, similarly, through the rectal orifice, the Vasti is advised. And it is advised in Tatukshay Namitta Vataroga, also in various conditions where the patient is Sneha intolerant, it becomes one of the parts of the Chaturvimshati Pravicharan of the Sneha, that is Vastischa Uttaravasteha, so Uttaravasti, Matravasti, and other Kalpanas. Ultimately, Visheshat, Medya, Pishita, Rasa, Taila, Anuvasana Ita, Vagbata concludes the action of the Anuvasana Vasti in Vatadosha Chikisa Upakrama. So that Nabhipradesham Katiparfa Kukshim Gatva Shakar Dosha Chayam Melodya Sasneha Kamyam Kayam Sapurisha Dosha Samyak Sukheneti Krita Savastihi. So Vajikarna is another important area. In Kalyanaka Karaka, Uchchata Ikshuraka Gokshura Yashtimadu Masha Atmagupta Kalka Kashayishcha Sanyutaha Grita Sita Adika Dugdair Vastaiha Pravrshya Karakam. So Vasti, which is prepared out of the that Atmagupta, Kokelakshabija, Gokshura, Yashtimadu, Masha, Atmagupta Kalka again. Very important in oligospermia or in various seminal disorders like the teratospermia, morphologically abnormal areas. Also, if there's a motility disorder, then the Vasti, that is Vrishabasti or Vajikarana Vasti, has to be developed. Vasti is very effective treatment in the Gritrasi Roga, Kaphavata Gritrasi, lumbar spondylosis, radiculopathies, and stenosis. Ksharavasti Kalpana and Vaitranavasti in Amavata. Definitely the chikungunya arthritis, patients of viral infestation, after that secondary, as a sequelae, they develop polyarthritis, then synovial effusions. So Ksharavasti Kalpanas and Vaitranavasti Kalpanas, their modifications need to be done, especially by the Vedana Stapana Gana of Charaka, they should be developed, and the Prasmamrita, Bala Yasti Gokshur, Erandajay Shrataha, Eranda Taila Sayukto, Vritti Mantra, Gatam Bhave Jayit. So the yogas from the basic root, they should be developed, and different combinations and permutations according to the skanda should be made. So Pichavasti, which is developed, is very, very effective in tenesmus. Again, cramp of the abdomen, crampy abdominal pain, rectal bleeding is controlled, loss of appetite will come down. So this Pichavasti is again a very important area wherein the Shalman in Niryasa, Mustadi Kshirapaka, Makshika, etc. are added. Further, the Changera the Grita and even Jatya the Grita, Estimadu, etc. are added as adjuvant, and the ulcerations in the gut, large intestine, the scars, epithelial debris which is getting discharged from the gut can be prevented. It has got Shonita Stapana Guna Dharma. Shonita Stapana Mahakashaya, like Dhataki, Lodra, Priyangu, Ananta, Sariva, Ushira, Udicha. If these series of drugs are combined and if the path is prepared and added to the Pichavasti, then action is wonderful. So that Bastil Vate, Pitte, Kafe, Rakte Sushate, Rakta and Pittajanya Vikara, Pitta and Raktanabandi Vikaras with severe ulcerations and bleeding per rectum can be treated by this. So regarding the Panchatikta Sadhita Kshiravasti in gouty arthritis, in areas like vasculopathies, also in Raynaud's phenomenon has been studied at length with the different areas of parameters of research. Takravasti in Grahani Roga and in IBS with certain modifications wherein Takra is basically Amla, it is Madura. Takra is the important Grahidravya also. Takra is the Sroto Shodaka and Takra is the Parama Beshaja in Arsha Tisara Grahani Gada. In oligospermia management, Baladi Apanavasti, Prathama, Ditiya, and Tritiya Baladi Apanavasti with the different Kalkadravyas and Stehadravyas are developed. Further, some of the clinical experience to say a patient reported with the history of pain in the big toe, followed by swelling in the ankle joint. Serum uric acid was 12.5 6 mg per deciliter. So he was admitted in the ward, followed by he was given Kalavasti in Kalavasti, that is 10 Niruhas, 10 Kashayam, 10 Snehavastis and 6 Niruvastis, wherein the Dashamula Kashaya and Gugluti Gratam were advised. So this patient, his serum uric acid within 10 days reversed back to normal. Another case of Gridrish Roga, in which patient was given Savacharadi Kashaya and Rasnaranda Kashaya as Dravadravya for Vasti, and Savacharadi Taila with Kalka, Grita, and Saindava. Further, Sandigata Vata case, in which a patient of 53 years old with severe experienced pain, and there is on examination flexion and extension of the knee joint was disturbed, presence of crepitus were there. She was given Yogavasti with the Shamura Taila, Anvasanavasti, and Ernamuladi Kashaya Niruha for 16 number of days. As said before, Shakagata Kottagata Vikara in Amlabitta like conditions, Anvasanavasti with Sukumara Grita, Niruhavasti with the Balajirakadi, Gandharvastadi, Dhanvantaram Kashaya with Kalka and other adjuvants, so making wonders. In the environment of infertility, we had a wonderful experience wherein a patient reported with inability to maintain prolonged erection, loss of penile rigidity, watery semen, postcoital exhaustion, and ejaculation within 3 to 4 minutes. So in such a case, Prisha Yapanavasti was given in 2 different schedules. So Madhu, Saindava, Snehadravya, that is Ashwagandha Grita, Kalka, Kapikachubija, followed by Balamula Churna as Vatadravya with the Ashwagandha and Avapadravya as Kshira. So the investigation shows that he had a severe azoospermia in 2013, again 2016 azoospermia. Then the scrotal USG was showing small volume bilateral testicles, small sized seminal vesicles. And this patient in 2016 December, gradually he was recovering back, and almost his count reached 15 million. Semen, that is the sperm count. Actively mortality 30%, sluggish mortality 20%, and non-mortality 50%. Asthenoazoospermia. From azoospermia, progress oligospermia, then asthenoazoospermia. With almost the next report shows that by 2017 February, his partner conceived with early intrauterine live gestation with gestational age of 7 to 8 weeks. So wonders can be made, miracles can be made by Vasti Chikitsa. Similarly, Mutrashmari is another area. A patient with calculus of 6 to 7 mm in the left kidney reported with severely aching pain, radiating pain from the lumbar region to the pelvis, and further he was managed with Ingvastaka Churna for Amapachana, Varunadi Tailam Matravasti from the Chakradatta reference has taken. So after the follow-up study, you can see in the USG, no significant abnormalities noticed, and all the calculus which were deposited were relieved. In such a way, Vasti Chikitsa is Sarvashreshta Vatahara. It is also an absolute treatment in Medogata Vikara, hyperlipidemia, non-alcoholic steatohepatitis, a wonderful treatment in the ulcerative colitis and challengeable areas. Today's chikungunya, arthritis with the severe synovitis, as well in conditions like hyperuricemia, gouty arthritis, and areas like vasculopathies, thromboembolic problems. So, tasmat chikitsardamiti bhravanti, sarva chikitsam api vastimeke. A wonderful statement made by Acharya is even true today. So, it was true yesterday, it is true today, definitely tomorrow also. The challenges in the practice can be definitely made through Vasti Chikitsa. So I thank and compliment the Global Ayurveda Foundation and the FEST organizers for giving me an opportunity to share my views. Thank you. Thank you.